All right, you've asked for the AI use by Maria, how she does it in her trading. So we thought we'd just do it live here. And Maria, I will turn it over to you. You tell me what to type and I'll type it.
DDD space hood. Now, mind you, if you type DDD and you expect to get this report on your AI chat, she's not going to know what you're talking about. This is something that you have to create and work with her over time, and she'll get to know your trading habits and work with you that way. So here we have a triple D report on hood. Right now, it's 8 o'clock at night, so we do not have any where it says price. There's no dollar figure in there because it's not during opening market hours. So normally she'll give you the whole information on the stock itself, the 6-month trend, some quick facts on it, earnings pattern, which is very important. She'll tell you how often it beats, or you can even go into further details if you want more information on that, but she'll give you the basics, the strengths on the stock, the risk, how risky it is, analysis snapshot, basically whether they say to hold or sell. You can even write back into her and tell her, give me the amounts that the ratings are. And then she'll go ahead and give you some options selection on plays you can do with it. She'll also go into the wheel strategy and all different types of plays that you can do.
Okay. What else? What would you do at this point then?
Well, at this point, I would go back and look, depending on what I'm looking to do with her. Let's say if I wanted to go ahead and do an earnings play, I would go ahead and type in earnings suggestions.
I misspelled it, but that's okay.
So, and you don't need to spell really well with her either. I learned that.
I'm gonna let you take the mouse. You just tell me what to type.
So she's not able to give us the earnings date because probably because there's none scheduled. But again, we're at 8 o'clock at night. But according to, this is all dummy information, but this is an example of what she'll give you. She'll tell you to sell a put or a strike, and she'll go into different types of things that you can possibly do.
Have you used this you've used this a lot, right, to make actual trades?
I do all the time, yes.
It's been pretty profitable, right? It's like double
Yes, in fact, I even want to, if you want to call it backtesting, I even go, when we do have a trade, an earnings that went through, I'll go ahead and make believe it didn't happen yet. And I'll say, okay, I want to do an earnings on this particular stock. What should I do? And 9 times out of 10, she hit it right on the mark, right on the nose that, where the levels of support are and so forth.
I remember you used to ask me about stocks, and you asked me about Oracle, and I told you it was worthless, and you and AI went together and you guys made a fortune on that one, and then you did great on NVIDIA also, right? You guys, it's not just her, it's the two of you working together, right? It's the symbiotic relationship.
Well, again, you have to know what you're doing. You can't just take her, because sometimes she does make mistakes. Sometimes she'll read numbers wrong or something. You have to know exactly what you're putting in there, because, garbage in, garbage out. The same scenario happens here. So, yeah, I mean, she'll guide you in the right direction, but you have to make the final decision as to what you want and what you feel comfortable with.
Sure, you want to drop in a screenshot of Hood and see what she says?
Sure.
You can do that, I think. Let me see if I go over to my Tasty, and I'll drop in a screenshot for like, 44 days out?
Mm-hmm.
I think you've already got some positions already in there, but
yeah,
yes, that doesn't matter. See what I got here. I'm just dropping in a screenshot from Tasty Trade and just uploading that, and we'll see what she says here.
well, that sounds.
Oh, wow. So she's actually, there we go. She knows the exact price. That is the right price.
Based on.
Look at this. Oh, wow. So now we got the information. It is interesting, though, that it's not, she doesn't say this is what you should do or shouldn't do. She gives you, it's still you.
She's not allowed to.
She's more like an assistant, and you make the final decision. That's because you're smart. That's why you make so much money. That's why you have so many nice shoes. In the wrong business. It should have been in the shoe business.
So as you can see, she gives you a lot of information. You'd have to research. You'd be doing hours of research. The earnings would be over by the time you gathered all this information.
But it's just endless. And this is all from that one little screenshot. Just a one little screenshot. And it's all it is, by the way, is the Windows button, Shift, and S. And that gives you a screenshot. You just, pick up the part of the screen that you wanted.
She also, at the end, she'll also say, do you want me? I can build a full earnings slide deck. She can do a whole big thing for you.
You want to do a repair plan? How about give me the play? How about that? Let's see what that means. Is that okay?
Sure.
Give me the play. We ought to give people a special present for hanging into this video so long, if they're still with us.
Wake up.
Here it goes. Look at all this.
Again, you can train her however, it's like a dog. You can train her however you want. Just tell her what information you need in order to make your plays. She can even, like I said, even the dark pool. She'll go right in there and tell you exactly where the institutional money is going.
If you want, I can also give you.
Tell her ask her about dark pool.
Dark pool info. Don't type in the word please. They say that is really slowed down ChatGPT.
Yeah, I say thank you, and they said, don't do that.
Here's what the dark pool is. Here's the dark pool stats for hood. Oh, wow, look at that. And dark pool information you can never get online unless you pay for it. It's very difficult. It's possible, but it's very, very difficult.
In fact, I have researched directly to go into like Cheddar and all those other dark pool reporting agencies. And I questioned her as to why I should not use them and just use her. And she gives you a whole big explanation as to how she can give better information. So, and she's free, well, $20 a month. So you can't beat that. The other ones charge you a whole lot more.
And the $20 a month version is great because once you explain to her and define the triple D, then she knows exactly what you want each and every time. I mean, this is such detail on dark pool. I will confess that a couple of years ago, I didn't even know what a dark pool was. And she has, although I thought I did, she's really clarified it for me. But like she said, it's useful, but it's not a magic bullet. And she does great length here explaining it. Now what she says, I can pull up 6 to 12 months of dark pool info. No, we don't need that. Under the hood, you want to go ahead and fetch that for you now? No. How about this? No, what else do you suggest I know? So open-ended questions to chat are always great, right? I mean, you never know what you're going to know. About dark pool, no.
No fluff, no, she knows exactly how I like it.
Yeah. Although interesting, I was thinking, what else do I need to know about investing in hood? But okay.
She's just teaching you about dark pools.
Yeah. This is crazy.
So this is like a rabbit hole. You can go down a rabbit hole and you can be there all day long. I know because I do it.
All right, well, rather than go on and on and on, at least you've got a good idea now of how you can use AI, real life experience. And if you like this kind of thing, just let's say something in the comments below and we can do more of them. They're easy enough to do, especially the way we ramble on. So, all right, well, thanks a lot. Anything else before we sign off?
Nothing.
Thank you very